Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily save a web page as a PDF document in Safari web browser. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Safari web browser. Then just move on to the web page that you want to save as a PDF file, and on that page just hit right here at share button and then scroll all the way down until you find that print option. Just tap on that. Then, right from here, hit add share icon again, and now, as you can see, it already created PDF document, 123 kilobytes, and now you are able to save that document to files. Just hit add save to files, then select a folder where you want to save the documents. I'm just gonna select downloads, and then you can open up Files app, and as you can see, the documents has just been saved right here. You can open it up and do whatever you want with that document. For example, you can send it via Messenger or via email if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Safari tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.